Hi guys, just to update about the request that I have asked from you guys, okay, for the estate planning. I do need PPLI, and also I do need family office, okay. You don't have to like you just have to split the cash asset, which portion should go into family office, that's for family planning, and which one should go into PPLI, and that will be for more general usages that can covers a lot of usages that are needed by the government or by the public fund or by the private sector. Okay, those can go under PPLI. And as for family office, it will be more specifically meant for sustaining the wealth of the one particular family units, okay, so that you wouldn't have problem when you have let's say your spouse have extramarital affair, and then they have a love child, all right, and then it may end up having lawsuits, things like that. Well, this is interesting case for myself also. So you do the planning as such, so that a lot of things that they want to use lawsuit to claim, okay, claim the inheritance that is tied to me, and they wouldn't be able to claim it. That's why the family office actually can act as a protector, okay, like a gatekeeper. uh Charlie Munger was our gatekeeper, was our I can say he was our family office leader. Like he planned out all this lots of this kind of arrangement for our family, okay. So yeah, so like now he's no longer here. So I will still need that kind of protection for our inheritances, so it can continue to be protected. At the same time, it still can generate wealth from the inheritances that I inherited, and will still able to pay out to the beneficiaries, the heir and heiresses who would like to receive their annuity, you know. I mean, then we will just issue the annuity to them. We already have so many kind of programs that we can generate ROI. So from there, every year we can allocate a sum of annuity to be paid out to them. Uh, yeah, I think not much issue on paying to beneficiaries, you see. What I really find is a big issue is the frauds that happen, the larceny that happens in banks. Okay, let's say that you have a account kept in certain banks. They are supposed to be custodian, okay, of our family office account. And what happened is those bank accounts has been secretly usurped. Okay, it has been used without proper consent of the family office itself, or probably when they set up the accounts they did not set up the family office. So it became uh so easy for the trustee, the custodian bank, to usurp the money in the accounts. So that is actually the problem that I see most of the money in the inheritances accounts that we are facing. It's not so much of how much tax or all that. Okay, all that accountants they can sort it out, but it's about the trustee banks, custodian banks, the trustee in the custodian banks. They are the one who giving problem, okay, or their staff, their employees are giving problem. Um, yeah. So for my own case, I would like to have PPLI and also family office. And you can look into what are the assets that are suitable to be included to take up the PPLI, and what are suitable to be put into family office. I can't give you guys the figure right off the bat right here, because it's too massive for me to actually let you know uh, in a public like this. But I think my trust attorneys, they know. So you guys have to discuss how to get this arranged, so that the settlement that I have won, it won't be usurped or hijacked just because they forge a consent, or just that because they forge my signature, or just because that they have some insider in the bank to do that kind of frauds for them. So I don't want to have this kind of headaches, this kind of problem. I think family office is really good in the sense that whoever, if I have a divorce, okay, it won't affect my inheritances. If I face some lawsuit problem, so if we have already estate planned it correctly, it will not affect my inheritance too. Okay. So what are the measure that you have to include in the family office estate planning? That will be the key things I like to know. What are the things that will be included in estate planning when we set up a family office? Okay, that is the thing that I would like to know, because I already know the advantages of having a family office, so that I can live life a peace of mind. I don't have to worry about a lot of things related to managing the inheritances, the nitty gritty of those stuff. And also it gives protection against claims or creditors or lawsuits. So it's, to me, it's really good. But to others, I don't know, probably they would like more flexibility and control of their own inheritance. Then they probably wouldn't want to go into family office. Well, it's all about how they discuss their term and condition with you guys also, right? So it's up to them. We don't have to interfere in their arrangement with you guys. I just want you to, when I communicate to you, I I give you some idea what I want. All right, but if it's not good idea, or it's not good protection, you should help me to improvise it. Yeah, that should be the way, because I'm not the expert in managing all these family offices. So you guys are the expert out there. You guys been doing this business for years and years, so you should know what is the best for your client. And if the client can accept it, you still have to let them know what are the disadvantages if they don't do certain things. So yeah, because it's a massive amount of inheritance we're talking about, so I cannot just, let's say, jump into conclusion. uh, what I requested will be the best, because my investment firms, they might have different idea about how to maneuver this, right? So like previously they told me, do not put it into irrevocable trust, because that will be super difficult for them to do any future investment. Okay, so I already avoided that. We don't have to go for irrevocable trust. But I wanted to know, how will you protect my inheritances from claimant, creditor, or lawsuit, or false setup of consent, those those judicial tricks. that they use.